Hey, what's going on, dude? Hey, do you take crypto for this kind of stuff? Take what? Like cryptocurrency? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dink Doink, Dogecoin, Bleep Blorp, Flip Flap, Snoop Snoop? No. Well, we take real money if you have any of that. Would you trade for an NFT? Nope, nope, nope. Get out, leave. Okay. Hey, I'm wearing the same stuff as last week, except I put a hat on this time. Welcome to the channel, I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can also subscribe to the channel. You want to see more boxes? Because that's my whole thing. Hello, pals. The pals thing is my whole thing, too. Hey, we got another box. It's from Sole Supremacy. Just so I don't have to answer the question, Sole Supremacy is a website shop in... You can't buy the boxes. Basically what I'm getting at is you can't buy the boxes unless you have a membership, and memberships are closed. But this box was $750 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $800. That's clearance, it's a counter, and let's open the box. After I drink some water. This box is very well taped. Excellent. $750. Good box price range. So let's see what's going on with this one. So all the shoes have boxes, but it doesn't look like there's anything in a very big size, but it does look like a good box, I will say that. Let's get some youth stuff out of the way first. 6 Youth, Jordan 11 Retro, RLGG, whatever that means. It's this. Some kind of burgundy woman's Jordan. Jordan 11. They're Deadstock. They're a size 6 Youth, and I have no idea what they are called. These aren't season of hers or anything like that, so I don't really know too much about them, but yeah, they're Deadstock, and they're reddish. So there you go, Deadstock size 6 Youth. Hey, if you want to buy those, or any other pairs in this box, they'll be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Another box. This one is an Adidas, and there's a lot of tape. This is size 7.5, EQT support ADV. I think they're Deadstock, maybe? Yeah, these appear to be Deadstock. This is the, I don't know what the colorway is called, but this is probably the most recognizable EQT support that has ever really released. See some of the great Adidas quality control there. So there you go. There's not boost on these, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but 7.5, not a great size either. Deadstock pair though, so that's cool. Box is in not good shape. 8.5 Youth, no wait, 8.5 Air Max 95 print. I think these are Have a Nike Day Air Max 95s. They are also Deadstock. There you go. I don't know if these are Have a Nike Day or are these the Atmos ones, maybe? I don't remember. I don't see Atmos branding on it anywhere, but it just says Air Max. Maybe it's the box series. I don't remember what they're called, but it's a 95. It's an infrared colorway, but with this different upper. So Deadstock condition, but 8.5, not a great size for an Air Max 95. There you go. Another Adidas. This one is a size 8 Ultra Boost. These are Deadstock as well. I do not know the colorway. It is a very pleasing looking colorway, I will say that. This blue is very nice. I think it's a 4.0 because of the knit, or maybe a 3.0, one of the two. I'm not too well versed on Ultra Boosts, but cool colorway. And it's a Deadstock pair, and it's pretty decent size in the US Men's 8, so there you go. Some kind of Ultra Boost. This whole box is Deadstock, I will not complain about that. Size 8, Nike Air Vapor Max Flyknit 2. Wow. These are Deadstock too. Got a pair of Volt Vapor Maxes. These are unworn, they are very bright. Apparently Vapor Maxes are excellent workout shoes. They just look kind of goofy. And if you can pull them off, more power to you. Unworn condition, Volt Vapor Max 2, size 8. Interesting. There's still 5 more pairs in here. Let's get this Adidas out of the way. Ultra Boost Guard W in a size 10. I think this might be a women's 10. Yes, this is a US women's 10, so this makes it a 9.5. Maybe, or maybe a 9 in Adidas sizing. I'm not 100% sure. They're Deadstock too. Very cool looking shoe. It's an Ultra Boost with a different kind of upper. It's got a actual like mud guard, which is cool. They're not bad to look at, I will say that. Adidas 10 makes it a US 9, I think. I'm not 100% sure, a men's 9. I don't know what conversions are like, but there you go. Cool shoe. Ultra Boost Guard. Never even heard of that kind of model. This is you can tell this is a bulk buyer that just had to unload shoes. And they sold them to Sole Supremacy. 9.5 Tiempo Ligera. What? I think this is some kind of soccer shoe. I don't really know what it is, but it's Deadstock as well. It's a size 9.5 Tiempo Ligera 410R IC. Okay, there it is. Gum outsole. Some kind of like quilted looking upper. This has got to be some kind of soccer shoe. It does have Hang 10 Ohana in there, so maybe that's something. This is Tiempo on the back. Whatever these are. The weird box. This is a really weird box. 3 more still. This one is a size 10 React Element 87. Wow, these are Deadstock too. Are we gonna get an entirely Deadstock box? Seems that way. Size 10. This React Element 87. It's a runner, cross trainer, whatever you call it. Big outsole. The upper is a little bit transparent. I guess you could say translucent in this case. Make sure your socks are awesome. Or don't, because who cares? But yeah, they're Deadstock too. Interesting colorway. Not a big fan of the black midsole, but hey, it happens. Nike React Element 87. There you go. Size 10. Deadstock shape. Let's grab this one. We got a size 9 Vandal High Supreme Quick Strike. So here you go. This is a very classic Vandal High colorway. There is a little bit of discoloration on the midsole, which is probably, I mean, these aren't super old, so I don't know why there's discoloration already. These are from like probably 2018 or something like that, if I were to guess, but then the size men's 9. Lace bag still attached, Deadstock, very cool. Vandal Supreme. I think we got an all Deadstock box. That's cool. Air More Up Tempo 96, size 9 is your last pair. That's what they are. And to round it off, these are Deadstock, very cool. Just varsity red and white Air More Up Tempo in a size 9. Again, another Deadstock pair, so makes it a lot easier for me. I don't have to clean any of these. There is some outsole discoloration. I'm interested to see where these were kept before, because these discolored very quickly, which is kind of surprising. But there's your last shoe, a size 9 Air More Up Tempo in the varsity red white colorway, and that is a $800 shipped Sole Supremacy beater box. It's the first box I've ever gotten that was all Deadstock. What is the value there? Let's find out. That is the most bizarre box I've ever opened on this channel, I think. High ticket, 10 pairs, all Deadstock. What is really weird. Hey, if you want to buy any of these, they'll be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. There is a high chance of them selling on Goat first, because they're all Deadstock, so I can list them immediately. Whoops. Hey, if you want to buy any Rejuvenator stuff, you can use my code SBMitch10 and it'll save you 10% on your entire order, which is pretty cool, because saving money rules. I can vouch for that. Hey, thanks for watching this weird video. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun, because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.